Open read and close a file in one line of code. Now I use. But to make the code look better, I can do. When using the above syntax, how do I close the file to free up system resources?
You don't really have to close it. Python will do it automatically either during garbage collection or at program exit. But as Adena noted, it's better practice to explicitly close it for various reasons. So, what you can do to keep it short, simple and explicit. Now it's just 2 lines and pretty readable, I think.
Python standard library pathlib module does what you're looking for. Don't forget to import path. On Python 27 install backported pathlib or pathlib2.
Using Python, your file will be closed immediately after the line is executed, because the file object is immediately garbage collected. There are 2 drawbacks, though. In Python implementations different from Python, the file often isn't immediately closed, but rather at a later time, beyond your control. In Python 3.2 or above, this will throw a resource warning, if enabled. Better to invest 1 additional line. This will ensure that the file is correctly closed under all circumstances.
No need to import any special libraries to do this. Use normal syntax, and it will open the file for reading, then close it. Or, which gives you an array X containing the lines, and can be printed like so. These one-liners are very helpful for maintenance, basically self-documenting.
What you can do is to use the with statement and write the 2 steps on 1 line. The with statement will take care to call __exit__ function of the given object, even if something bad happened in your code. It's close to the try finally syntax. For object returned by open, __exit_ corresponds to file closure. This statement has been introduced with Python 2.6.
In this tutorial, click search and try.